I'm engineer not only by trade but by heart. I always try to be as precise, as algorithmic you might say, as possible. This is how I got into cooking sous vide. I like to have that ultimate control about the process. With the temperature settings and the timer setting, the result is exactly as I want it. Hi, I'm Krystian Lieber. I'm a VP of Software Engineering at Trilogy, and I live in Poland. When I was in high school, I was an office cleaner. I see people in the other office gathered around the computer. They had some major issue, and I was like, yeah, like you just press this and this key, and it's fixed. That next Monday, I got a call from them if I want to be on board as like an IT help desk person, and that's how I scored my first paid job in computer science. I started 5 years ago at Trilogy as senior software developer, and I was promoted to a VP position. As a senior developer, I mostly write code. As a VP, I'm more focused on the architecture of the system and the general planning of what we are going to do with the product. For me, being a VP is mostly about the responsibility. I feel responsible for the product that I work on. I feel responsible for the architecture, because if I made a mistake today, that mistake might come to me tomorrow, in a week, or in a month. I will be working on this product for a longer time, so I really care about the quality of the product and the quality of the decisions that I'm making. One of the most exciting things about working at Trilogy is the remote work culture. Before the pandemic hit, I was able to make a road trip around Europe, and I was able to see places I would probably never go. That was not for that position. During all of my trips, if it's possible, I would take a cooking class, because there's nothing like actually doing the dish yourself. I think the remote work gives a unique benefit for doing all of the things you're passionate about. As I am passionate about engineering, about computer science, I have seen that we brought something to life, and now it's actually being used by somebody. And I think this is part of me that I try to grow all the time, not to see engineering as the end goal, but see the business and the customer satisfaction as the end goal of what we are doing. I'm Krystian Lieber, and I get to follow my passions thanks to Crossover.